Okay, good morning. Welcome everyone. Here's your Go Math lesson 12.5, describe division. Write the answer for each step in the problem. So 8 minus 2 is, let's see, there's 8 circles. They took away 2 is what? 6. So this is describing division. Watch, at the end I'll show you how this is related to division. Let's go ahead and answer questions first. 6 minus 2 more, so if I take 2 more away, how many do I have left? 4. Now take away 2 more, how many do I have left? 2. Now take away 2 more, how many do I have left?
0.
So what they did is they grouped it in groups of 2. So basically it was 8 divided by 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 4. Okay, so if I had 8 apples, let's only look at this picture right now. Let's focus on this picture. If I had 8 apples and I gave everyone 2, how many people did I give apples to? How many? 1. No, listen to what I'm saying. I have 8 apples. I'm going to pass them out equally. How many people am I going to pass them out to?
2.
No, each person gets 2 apples, but yes, Dominic, I pass it out to 4 people. Each group is a person. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I pass them out to 4 people. Okay, use the pictures, describe how the group was divided. Let's look here. There are how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 flowers. Excellent. All right, so there are 6 flowers. Each vase can fit how many flowers?
2.
3. Listen to the question. Okay, it's very important you understand what they're asking. Each vase, that means the one vase, each vase can fit how many flowers? 3. So how many? So use blank vases to fit all the flowers. How many vases did we use? 2. We used 2 vases. There are how many counters? Count them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. They are divided into how many equal groups? Equal groups is what's circled. So how many circles do we have? How many groups? 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each group has how many counters?
2.
Very good. This should be easy if you really pay attention to what they are asking. If you were to try to rush through it, you're going to get so confused, it's going to be confusing. Use the pictures, describe how the things are divided. So these are the pictures and this is the problem. Bella has blank pictures on each Bella has blank pictures on pages. How many pictures does she have on all these pages?
4.
On all these pages.
4.
On all these pages. 4, 8, 12. She has 12 pictures on pages. Each page can fit how many pictures?
4.
4. Good. Each page can fit 4 pictures. So she uses how many pages? 1, 2, 3. So how many pages? 3 pages. Okay, do you guys kind of get it? All right. There are blank pencils. How many pencils are there?
3.
No. Thank you. Guys, they're asking, the first number is always how many items is there in all, not how many is there in each group. That's not what they asked. So how many pencils are there in all here? 9. Can you see that color? Yeah, okay. They are divided into blank equal groups. How many equal groups? 3. Good. These are 3 groups. This is 1 group, 2 group, 3 group. So each group has how many pencils? So each group has 3 pencils. If you don't know how to spell it, it's right there. All right. So again, you have to take your time on this. You cannot rush or you're going to get confused. All right. Use the picture to describe how things are divided. I'm going to give you a minute to try your best on 3 and 4, and then we're going to go over it. So if you get it wrong, you can fix it. But I need you to try. If you don't try, you're going to have a really hard time with the rest of the work. So I'm going to give you a minute to try number 3 and 4. You can pause the video now. All right, so let's look at what you've done now that you have tried it on your own. Use the pictures to describe how things are divided. Jack has blank cookies on plates. How many cookies does he have on plates? Notice it says plates on both plates. 8. He has 8 cookies on plates. The first number is how many items there are in all. There are 8 cookies in all. Each what? Each what? Each plate has 4 cookies. Very good. Each plate has 4 cookies. So he uses how many plates? So he uses 2 plates. Thumbs up or thumbs down or thumbs sideways. So thumbs up if you got this right. Thumbs down if you got this wrong. Thumbs sideways if you got some of it right. Okay, that's okay. All right, good job. Thank you. All right, so please correct what you got wrong. It's important that you understand. That's the point of this, to understand. There are blank shells. So how many shells are there on this page? No, Dustin. How many are on the page? 4. Not how many are in each group. Listen to what I am saying. 4. They are divided into how many groups? They are divided into 2 groups. So, how many are there in each group? So, there are how many shells in each group? So, there are 2, so there are 2 shells in each group. In each group. Yes, Leia. There are 2 shells in 2 groups. Yeah, that's fine. All right. Now, I really do want us to watch Professor Berger today because I honestly think he can help us really understand division a little better. All right. So let's watch Professor Berger, and then we'll get back and finish the rest. Close your books, put your pencils in your books.
Hi, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Rockstar Academy!
Well, I'm actually happy that we're talking about rocks because I want to talk about the pebble that I took out of my shoe as I was walking on the beach.
Oh, cool!
Now, do you want to hear the riddle that is associated with this?
I do!
Okay, this is from one of our viewers. Chase has 20 pebbles and Mia has 7 pebbles.
Oh!
Now, they divide all the pebbles into groups of 9.
Groups of 9!
Exactly.
Woohoo! Like rock groups!
Exactly. And so the question is, how many equal groups are there? So we want equal groups of 9. So let's check it out for ourselves. So I'm going to show you exactly the pebbles. So here we see. So there are the pebbles, and you can see Chase has these 20 pebbles up here. And we see that Mia has 7 pebbles down here.
Right.
Okay, now we want groups of 9. Now let's see how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's too many, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
So why don't I take this extra one, and I'll just move this down into the the Mia pile there and put it right
Okay.
here. Okay, so now that has 9. Now what about the next one? Let's see how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's still too many.
That is too many.
So why don't I take this one and move this down here?
Hey, wait, look at that.
Look what happened. How many do we have now in the last one? We had 7, and then we have 8, 9.
And 9.
So we now see we have groups of 9. So we have groups of 9, and so how many groups of 9 do we have? Well, we could actually circle them if you want to.
Sure.
So here's one group of 9.
Circle, circle, circle.
Circle, circle.
I'm making circles.
I'm
Ooh,
like
look
this.
at my rap move.
There's another one, and then a last one is way up on top.
Yeah.
And so what we see is we have 3 equal groups of 9. So the answer is, how many equal groups are there? We're going to see 3 groups.
Equal groups.
And we see 3 equal groups of 9, and that's what we see. And by the way, how many rocks were there to begin with? Well, you know how many there were because we had 20 of Chase's and 7 of Mia's, and if we add them, we see 27. So we have 27 total, which we see can be written as 3 equal groups of 9.
All right. Oh, that was so groovy, Professor.
Thank you, thank you.
Another riddle solved at the Rockstar Academy. Hooray!
Yes.
You know something though?
What?
I think we're forgetting something.
3 equal groups. We added 27. 3. No,
No,
I think we're fine.
we
What?
gotta go back and take this pebble to the beach.
I have to return the pebble from the beach. The beach? Why?
Of course, he's gonna get lonely.
I guess we're going back to the beach.
Woohoo!
Have fun with math. We'll see you soon.
Okay. All right. Let's look at problem 5. Multi-step. Chase has 20 pebbles. It's kind of the same thing. So glad we watched it. Chase has 20 pebbles, and Mia has 7 pebbles. They divide, that's a very important word, definitely box that. They divide all the pebbles into equal groups of 3. So into what? Equal groups of 3. Or into groups of 3. So groups of 3. How many equal groups are there? So, first step I have to do is find out how many pebbles there are. So, Chase has 20 and Mia has 7. So, what am I going to do first? Add 20 plus 7 is what, class? That's easy. 27. So, now there's 27 pebbles. And we're dividing these pebbles into equal groups of 3. So I'm going to draw 3 groups. They can be boxes, circles, doesn't matter, but they're going to be 3 groups. And then I'm going to pass out 27 pebbles until all the pebbles are gone. So I'm going to pass out pebbles till all my pebbles are gone. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now, oh, sorry, I totally did that wrong. It says they divide all the pebbles into groups of 3. That means they put 3 pebbles in each group. They're asking us how many groups are there, not how many pebbles are in each group. Oh, silly me. How many groups are there? It's really important to read the question and not assume you know, because that's what I thought. I assumed I knew, and I didn't. That's okay. All right. Eraser, please erase for me. All right, so let's try that again. So they want 3 groups. They want us to put the 3 in each group, so I'll show you how to do that. So this is 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. How many pebbles do I have on the page so far? I have 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There's 27 pebbles, aren't there? Right? 20 plus 7 is 27. They want us to put them in groups of 3. That's 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group, 5 group, 6 group, 7 group, 8 group, 9 group. So the question is, how many groups are there? There are 9 equal groups. And just ignore this. I tried to erase it, but it doesn't want to go away, so ignore it. Okay. Anyway, so there are 9 equal groups. This is called an array. When you draw something like this is kind of like what we do. Oh my gosh, that's weird. Kind of like what we do on our morning work where it has them in rows and columns. That's called an array. All right, let's keep going. Lily buys 6 bags of dog treats. How many bags?
6.
Each bag has the same number of treats. She buys 24 treats in all. How many treats are in each bag? She buys 6 bags and there's 24 in all. So if there's 6 bags, here I'm going to draw 6 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She buys 6 bags of treats. Each bag has the same number. Do we know how many are in each bag yet? No, that's what the question is asking, but we know there's 24 treats in all. So we're going to put 1 in each bag till all 24 are gone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How many are in each bag? There are 4 treats in each bag. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4. If we skip count by 4, 6 times, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 24 treats in all. There's 4 in each group. Easy schmeezy, lemon squeezy. Okay, I want you to go ahead and do page 414 to 416 on your own. If you have any questions, let me know. Have fun learning math, and I'll see you later.